Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're also welcome to my channel. So guys, today's video I'll be doing a purple smoky eye look. So if you are interested, you definitely want to keep on watching. So guys, I'm going ahead to moisturize my face with an olive oil. Alright guys, I'm going ahead to use the Mary Kay foundation on my face. So guys, the next thing I want to do is to apply concealer, and I'm going to use the Melanida Pro Conceal in the shade 02.
Perfect.
So guys, I ended up using 3 different shades of concealer. So guys, all you want to do now is to blend.
Perfect.
Next thing I want to do is to apply blush, and I'm using Who Is That Girl lipstick palette. going ahead to use the Mary Kay foundation to contour.
Perfect.
So guys, what I love doing is blending the blush and the contour together. I'm going ahead to set my face with the black upper finishing powder.
Perfect.
I'm going ahead to use the Sasha Buttercup setting powder to further set my under eyes and chisel at my nose. Guys, I'm going ahead to apply the eyeshadow and I'm using the concealer as my primer.
Perfect.
going ahead to apply blush. I'm going ahead to use the Imaf Luxury Pressed Powder to set my entire face.
Perfect.
Guys, I'm going ahead to set my entire face with my homemade setting spray. So guys, this is the final look. This is the complete look. This is the flawless look we just created, and I'm so loving it. So guys, if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, this is all for now. Can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Stay fabulous, stay blessed. Bye for now.